Hey guys, here's a new web licensing platform and an overview of how to use it. So whenever you launch Estimator, you get to this screen here with the sign in for the new web licensing. There are two options. You have your Active Directory and you have your sign up now to where you use a password and an email address. So what all clients will do right out the gate is to use your Active Directory email that is tied to your corporate email account. So what you want to do is click on the Active Directory button. When this window pops up for Microsoft, you enter your email that more than likely you used to log into your computer and the password. So click mine. It's going to go through because I've already have this set up. And then you get into it where it's not requesting a license anymore. So once in here with the licensing, you have two options. You can sign out or you can check out a license. So as you can see, when you check out a license, it's checked out for 7 days based on the tooltip. All right, so check out a license. Okay, and then that license is locked to your computer for 7 days, and after 7 days, it checks itself back in. Let me check that license back in. And then I am going to sign out here. Then I'm going to get license and show the other option. So the other option is the sign up now option. So once you click your sign up now, you get this form to fill out. You enter your email account and hit send verification. You can fill out all this information as well until the verification code is in your email address. Then you will enter that verification code. Right. So let me cancel that. So get license again. So once you get your verification code and everything, then you will sign in with the email and password you created. So and once you sign in, then you will be able to access the application, and then you have the sign out option. You cannot check out a license once you signed in. That's just how the application is developed to work. All right. Thank you guys very much.